Hello friends, today's topic is earthing and grounding. This topic is related to the power system protection. Essential qualities of protection: reliability, dependability, security, selectivity, speed, system stability, equipment damage, power quality, sensitivity, high impedance faults, dispersed generation. First, reliability. Assurance that the protection will perform correctly. Selectivity. Maximum continuity of service with minimum system disconnection. Sensitivity. To detect even the smallest fault, current or system abnormalities and operate correctly at its setting. Speed. Minimum fault duration and consequent equipment damage and system instability. Simplicity. Minimum protective equipment and associated circuitry to achieve the protection objectives. Reliability. The level of assurance that the relay will function as intended. Reliability denotes dependability and security. Dependability, certainty of correct operation. Security, assurance against incorrect operation. Sensitivity. Relaying equipment must be sufficiently sensitive so that it will operate when required. Must discriminate normal from abnormal conditions. Selectivity. Performance of protective devices to select between those conditions for which prompt operation and those for which no operation or time delay operation is required. Isolate faulted circuit resulting in minimum interruptions. Implemented through zone of protection. Speed. Remove a fault from the power system as quickly as possible. Classification. Instantaneous, no intentional delay. High speed, less than 3 cycles. Time delay, intentional time delay. Power system earthing, natural earthing or grounding. Peterson coil arcing grounds. If you want to more videos, then like, share and subscribe. The process of connecting the metallic frame of electrical equipment or some electrical part of the system to earth is called grounding, or it is also known as earthing. It means earthing and grounding is same. Grounding or earthing may be classified as equipment grounding and system grounding. Equipment grounding. The process of connecting non-current carrying metal parts of the electrical equipment to earth. System grounding. The process of connecting some electrical part of the power system to earth is called system grounding. Neutral earthing. Neutral grounding. Because the grounding and earthing is same, connecting neutral point to earth either directly or some circuit element like resistance, reactance, Peterson coil, etc. is called neutral grounding. Neutral grounding provides protection to equipment. During earth fault, the current path is completed neutral. Advantages of neutral grounding. Voltages of the healthy phases do not exceed line to ground voltages. With effective from they remain nearly constant. The high voltages due to arcing grounds are eliminated. Life of insulation is long. The over voltages is reduced. It provides greater safety to personnel and equipment. It provides improved serviceability. Operating and maintenance expenditures are reduced. Methods of neutral grounding: solid or effective grounding, resistance grounding, reactance grounding, Peterson coil grounding, voltage transformer earthing. Solid or effective grounding. You have seen this diagram. In this diagram, R, Y, V are the three lines, and the current flow across the line. IR is for the R line, IY is for the Y line. When the neutral point of a three-phase system is directly connected to earth, is called soil grounding or effective grounding. When an earth fault occurs between earth and any one phase, the voltage to earth of the faulty phase becomes zero, but the healthy phases remains at normal phase values. IF represented by fault current. It completely nullified by capacitive current according to the previous diagram. Resistance grounding. You see here the diagram is same, but the difference thing is when the neutral point of a three-phase system is connected to earth through a resistor, it is called resistance grounding. Advantages: by adjusting the value of R, the arcing grounds can be minimized. It improves the stability, less interference, minimize. And there are some disadvantages also. By adjusting the value of R, the arcing grounds can be minimized. It improves the stability, less interference, minimize hazards. Reactance grounding.